Hey guys, we're back for another one, out on another adventure. Today we're back out with the guys from Energy Powersports. Gave us another wonderful ATV to try out. So this is my ride for the day, the Can-Am Outlander. This one now, a bit smaller, it's got the 570 V-twin EFI. And yeah, gonna go out with these guys, watch these guys do some crazy riding. So I hope you come along with us, check out this adventure, and we'll go from there. So let's hit the trails, guys. Boys are scouting ahead just to see what we're looking at. It looks like we've come to a loop, so real no point in doing that. So we might turn around and head back and try the other way on the trails now. So we shall see. But guys, this has been so much fun. I'm really starting to learn why people love these ATVs. So good times. Let's keep it going. boys, we made it back. Another adventure in the books. I'm gonna try and take this helmet off. That was a great time. I beat all the other guys back. So anyways, thanks to the guys at Energy Powersports for hooking me up with this BRP Outlander 570. It was pretty good to go out on. I mean, we were out on the 850 last time, and I think that's the one I would like. If I was looking at it, I like that 850 was really good, but this one's really good too. Got me there, got me back. What more can you ask for? So guys, again, thanks so much for coming along for this video. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. I mean, we're off the water now and onto the ground and trying some ATV and videos and stuff like that. So I hope you like them. If you have any questions or comments, or you have anything you want to know about this, just let me know. Write a comment down below. Otherwise, until the next video, guys, be safe out there. Enjoy the fall, enjoy the winter, wherever we're at, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.